Hello there. Today we are going to learn how to use the Hospi mobile application. First, if you don't have the app installed on your phone, then you can go to Play Store and type Hospi mobile in the search bar, and there you go. Click on the Hospi mobile icon and you download and install the application. I have it already downloaded and installed on my phone, so I'm just going to click on open. There we go. If you already have it on your device, this is how the icon looks like. You could click on the icon to open the app. The application has four menus, as you could see on the menu bar. We have the health information menu, the chat menu, we have the booking menu, and the utilities menu. Let's quickly look at what we have on each of the menus briefly. First, we start with the health information menu. Under the health information menu, we have different topics of public health interest, starting from first aid, hypertension, infectious diseases, child health, HIV, maternal health, non-communicable diseases for now. If you wish to read information concerning any topic, for example hypertension, you click on hypertension and you have the subtopics available there, the headings for you to read. If you wish to know about, for example, symptoms of hypertension, you click on the second item, which is symptoms, and there you'll find the information concerning symptoms of hypertension. Now we're going to go back to see what's on the other menus. We go to the next menu, which is the chat menu. On the chat menu, under the chat menu, we have different chat groups. We have about 8 chat groups listed here. There could be many more. Here we have just 8 for a start. If you wish to join any chat group, it's totally free to join any group. Here we are going to take an example. If you want to ask a question concerning maternal health, you click on maternal health and you join the chat already. You'll be able to see previous messages which have been written in the group and discussions from other pregnant ladies. You could easily type your message for free. You could write hello doctor, and you send to the group. Immediately you're going to have your message sent and a doctor is going to reply to you within the next few seconds. While waiting for the reply, we can go back to the home menu and see what's available on the other groups. In each of these groups you have different users, but in the first group, which is the Ask a Doctor group, there you have just doctors who are available to answer your questions anytime you could click in to see what we have as previous chats. Here I have been talking with some doctors who have given me some advice, which you can see the chat. Then we could go back to home and see the third menu, which is the booking feature. Under the booking menu, we have a list of hospitals which we signed up with. If you wish to visit any of these hospitals, it suffices you could click on the image to read more about the hospital. You see their services. Mbopi Baptist Hospital, Douala, for example. You see their services there. And if you're interested in visiting this hospital, you click on the booking, book here. And there a booking form pops up. If you are the patient, then you could fill in your information. For example, I'm Alexis, my gender is male, and you fill in your age, phone number, and so on. When you finished with filling the form, you scroll right down to the end. You can put in your complaint there. So you can select the specialist which you want to consult. If you want to consult a gynecologist, you quickly select from the list. And if you have a caregiver, you can fill in the information here. It is optional. When you're done with booking, you click on booking visit, and then a personnel is going to get back to you from the hospital to confirm your booking visit. I don't want to book a visit for now, so I'm not going to fill the form. I'm going to go back to the menu. I can go back, and if I wish to invite a health personnel to my house, I come to the first option, which is visit at domicile, that is home visit. I could click on the booking form, which is the same, fill the form, and then I validate the booking. Let's take a look at the fourth menu. It's an interesting menu there. We have 4 different features on this menu. The first item on the top left is the period tracker. Next we have a pill reminder, and then a BMI calculator, and if we have any suggestions, you can use the bottom right uh, menu there. If I want to track my periods, know my fertile days, I'm going to click on period tracker, select my last day, the first day of my last period. I'm going to select to have a 28-day cycle, and I'm going to click on calculate. Calculate is going to display the results of my period. My fertile days would begin from the 17th of January to the 21st of January. If I'm pregnant, my due date is going to be on the 24th of October 2018. I could calculate again or go back home. Now I choose to go back home. Okay. Now I'm just going to go right back. If I want to register my medication, I want to use a pill reminder feature. I already have medications on my list of pill reminder on my calendar list. I could add a medication on this list, select the schedule, and save. And I'm going to receive notifications whenever it's time to take my medication. I could also calculate my BMI by selecting my weight. Putting my weight is 75 kilograms. It's kilograms, and my height is 1.82 in meters, and I'm going to click calculate. It displays my results here. I have my body mass index is 22.64. I could go back home, or I could get more information if I wanted to. I'll just go right back. So these are the 4 menus which we have on the Hospi mobile application. You could click on settings to edit your profile and read about the application, or you could log out. Thank you very much for following our video. Feel free to download the Hospi mobile application on Play Store and use it. It's totally free. Simple solutions using access to internet provide simple solutions to our users. Thank you for downloading the Hospi mobile application.